I'm not a learned man having a very strong background. It's a common man. I'm representative of common man.
The biggest victory for a politician in Bihar. Nitish Kumar is the big winner of the day.
It was a victory like no other.
The JDU 115 to Nitish, BJP 87.
The biggest electoral mandate in over 4 decades in the Hindi heartland.
Has seen a real landslide this time. 202, 25, others 10, Congress just 6.
मैं नीतीश कुमार
With a momentous 3/4 majority win in the Bihar Assembly elections, Nitish Kumar, the 59-year-old second-term Chief Minister of Bihar, had made history.
जबकि ऐसे मुख्यमंत्री के रूप में अपने कर्तव्यों के उचित निर्वहन के लिए
Tributes poured in, even from rivals.
I congratulate the Chief Minister, Nitish, for his success.
मैं मेरे श्री नीतीश कुमार जी एवं सुशील मोदी जी को बधाई देता हूं।
The BJP hailed the captain of Team Bihar.
ये बीजेपी जेडीयू की जीत है और नीतीश कुमार क्योंकि कैप्टन है इसलिए ट्रॉफी तो कैप्टन के हाथ में मिलेगी।
The man himself wasted no time on celebration. He said there was a job to be done.
लोगों का मैंडेट है, उसको आप देखेंगे तो एक इसमें आपको दिखाई पड़ेगा कि ये जीत हम लोगों की नहीं, ये दरअसल जीत है बिहार की, बिहार के लोगों की और बिहार की अस्मिता, आइडेंटिटी।
Nitish Kumar, or as his nickname goes, Munna, a strict teetotaler and a trained electrical engineer. Nitish Kumar was born in 1951 in Bakhtiarpur, central Bihar.
In Bakhtiarpur, my house is located on, road itself that became national highway later on. So all the leaders passing through that area used to have a stop there. I can't say how I became anti-Congress, but from very childhood I was attracted towards Lohia ji.
The son of an Ayurvedic doctor and himself a trained engineer, destiny had other plans for Nitish Kumar. His initiation into politics began when he was a student at Patna Engineering College. It was the early 1970s. Universities throbbed with the anti-Indira Gandhi movement led by Jaiprakash Narayan. JP had given the call for Sampurna Kranti, or total revolution, and students joined him by the thousands. Nitish too got swept up in the ferment, consolidating his anti-Congress Janta Parivar identity, an identity from which he has never diverged so far. His teachers remember him as more of a student leader in Dhoti Kurta, rallying fellow students to fight for better college facilities, not as a student buried behind textbooks.
He was actually having some quality of good leader. As today also you must have seen, the fellow is not like the politician means chor, chamar, wagara, wagara. He is not like that. His behavior, his way of talking, his expressions, they actually are so systematic.
In the corridors of the newly christened NIT College, tales of the Chief Minister are today legendary. His hostel warden shows us one of the rooms he would stay in as a student. Today, Nitish Kumar is often labelled as a clean politician. It's a tag he carried with him even when he was in college.
Thorough gentleman, never used any unfair means in the examination. Never. Although it was very prevalent at that time.
His comrade in arms at that time was Lalu Yadav, a student of BN College. Lalu was exuberant and playful. Nitish was quiet and polite. Lalu got elected to the Lok Sabha in 1977 in the great wave election against the emergency that brought the Janta Party to power at the centre. Nitish won his first election in Harnaut only in 1985. His friend of 4 decades, Narendra Kumar Singh, remembers how if Nitish Kumar hadn't won the 1985 elections, he would probably have become a businessman.
बात के मैं नीतीश जी आए और बताए कि अब राजनीति का मेरा ये अंतिम लड़ाई है। तीसरी बार जो असेंबली हो रही थी, यदि मैं इस चुनाव यदि नहीं जीतूंगा तब तुम्हारे तरह ही मैं बिजनेस शुरू करूंगा।
People have lot of sympathy for me in 1985 and they got me elected. And thereafter I am being elected.
At the very zenith of Lalu's power in 1994, Nitish Kumar left him forever, accusing his friend turned foe of not sharing power. He started the Samta Party with George Fernandez and Sharad Yadav and began an all-out war against Lalu.
I was his strong supporter of the move. Later on, it's the habit of Lalu Yadav. Whoever has supported him, you will find that he does not keep good relationship with those people.
He moved closer to the BJP on the advice of his mentor, George Fernandez, working quietly at the grassroots while becoming Railway Minister in the NDA government. Ironically, most political observers had written off Nitish Kumar in 2000. His one shot at chief ministership in 2000 had lasted just 7 days. It was a government propped up by criminals. Accused of poor political management, Nitish Kumar was struggling to keep his party together. But one day, in the year 2005, would change it all. The Bihar elections had thrown up a hung assembly, and just when it looked like Nitish had the numbers to form a government, President APJ Abdul Kalam signed a midnight proclamation dissolving the Bihar Assembly and imposing President's rule in the state. The people's verdict had been declared null and void. Nitish had been stopped in his tracks, many said by Lalu, in connivance with Bihar Governor Bhutta Singh. Suddenly, Nitish the political also ran, became Nitish the political martyr. In the November polls of 2005, Nitish roared to power with 143 seats, vowing to destroy Lalu's jungle Raj.
मैं नीतीश कुमार सत्यनिष्ठा से प्रतिज्ञा करता हूं।
As Nitish Kumar was sworn in, Bihar was witnessing a change in guard. Lalu was out, Nitish was in. The new chief minister got down to business straight away. He not only worked hard, he made sure he was seen to be working hard. And today, 5 years later, Nitish Kumar is being talked about as a future Prime Minister of India. 60-year-old Sitaram remembers the day his Malik became Chief Minister. The son of Nitish Kumar's Bai in their ancestral home in Kalyan Bigha, Sitaram grew up with Nitish Kumar, playing gilli danda with him in these dusty roads.
जिस बराहिल का या नौकर कहिए उसको मालिक मुख्यमंत्री हो जाता है, उसको इससे बढ़कर अब क्या मिलेगा? हम कहा कि मालिक हमको कोई चीज का जरूरत नहीं, यही हमारा अर्थी है कि आप मुख्यमंत्री और बड़े प्रधानमंत्री हो।
The very next day after he became chief minister, Nitish drove to Kalyan Bigha with his wife and son. And he came and spent a few hours at his own house. Nitish Kumar's elder brother, Satish Kumar, continues to live in Bakhtiarpur, where all the Kumar siblings were born. Satish followed in his father's footsteps and became an Ayurvedic doctor, and today he says he's proud of his kid brother.
हम लोग तो यही सोचे कि जो इनका मेहनत था वहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं, उनको जिम्मेदारी आई है काम करें.
Satish Kumar's pride is muted, but the pride of Anandi Prasad Singh, Nitish's 90-year-old teacher from Ganesh High School in Bakhtiarpur, is more effusive.
I will be overjoyed to see him as a Prime Minister.
Nitish Kumar's wife Manju died in 2007. She was a teacher in Patna, rarely seen in public with her husband Nitish when she was alive. Even their son, an engineer, is kept away from prying cameras. Image is very important to Nitish Kumar, and he flaunts the fact that he has kept away from dynastic politics, so unlike his alter ego. Unlike Lalu, Nitish remains an intensely private person. Even in his moment of triumph this week, he remained low-key.
ये जो भ्रम पालेगा कि हम जीत गए हैं, यही तो मूर्खता की शुरुआत होती है। ये हम जीते हैं, ये बिहार के लोग जीते हैं, इसलिए ये बिहार के लोग बधाई के पात्र हैं। इसमें हमारा क्या है? हमको तो काम करने का जिम्मा दिया, काम कर रहे हैं।
After the break, Nitish Kumar's vision for Bihar.
पहले आतंक का राज था, अब बिहार में कानून का राज है।